Hello, this is Eric Bottomley with Argo Real Estate, and we are in this beautiful condominium in Hell's Kitchen right on 54th Street, and it is one of a kind condo unit, beautiful place, doorman building, all the amenities, the doorman, the gym, etc. You have heated floors in this oversized bathroom, very nice bathroom, just regrouted, and it is very well done. Most of the studios in this building are much smaller. This is over 600 square feet. You've got everything you need, including that beautiful washer dryer, which vents out of the apartment. Very rare, even on new developments, that is very rare. You have lots of storage space, all customized closets, a double doors here and another one right here. Very, very nice. And over here is your oversized kitchen. This refrigerator is massive. This is the same type of refrigerator that they have in the penthouse apartment. So you could have 4 or 5 people living in here eating. Big gas stove included in the common charges, lots of cabinet space, and the countertops as well. Very well done. It's almost as if there has never been food cooked in here before. It feels like it is brand new. And then you have this large room, lots of volume, high ceilings, facing south here, so you get a lot of very nice light. And what's really special about this apartment is that right across the street is a nice open playground right there, so that you don't have any risk that there's going to be a building coming up and blocking this very pleasant view. It's also super quiet, and you have the HVAC unit right there for your heating and cooling. And look how they have situated this place with very, very nice furnishings. In fact, if you're looking to purchase this, you might want to include some of these pieces. You have a desk area right over here, sitting, dining here, television setup, nice big dressers right here, and a Murphy bed. Very, very classy, expensive Murphy bed with a bookshelf right over here. So you have everything that you need in this beautiful condo building on 54th and 10th Ave. This is exactly what you want, because in this neighborhood they have been building up a lot of nice new development, and here you can get a studio at a fantastic price. So come and check it out today.